World champion.
Yeah.
Naona already umeshaingia ndani ya Blues.
Yeah, my blue boy.
Yeah, for the first time mazee nimepata na fan wa Chelsea.
Okay.
How do you feel to be a world champion?
Hey, my friend, I tell you, I am very happy. Even when I remember that we have that badge for the next 4 years. I feel very happy.
Very happy.
Yeah.
Now Chelsea wamekuwa wakisign abnormalously. Sijui what's your take on that? Unaona wana sign wazee tu.
That one you have said it is you have just criticized our team because we have 1 year experience that we have signed Thiago Silva when he was 36 and he ended up winning all titles.
Okay.
Including Champions League,
Yes.
Super Europa League, and many other of them. Yeah.
Okay. Unajua sasa nini imeisha like 3 weeks ago. World Cup. World Cup unaona was it fair ama ilikuwa watu wamesema ni script. Do you think it was a script?
It was not. Those people they are criticizing because most of them they are against Messi specifically. Because most of them they said FIFA favors Messi, and I personally I am a very big fan of Messi. And the World Cup was very fair until the last minute.
So wewe goat wako ni nani?
My God is Lionel Messi.
Lionel Messi.
Mbona
una support Messi?
I support Messi because of his mentality. He is very humble. He plays pure football. He can dribble. He can score. Even when you compare him with that age, you can't imagine the man is of 39 years.
All right.
Yeah.
That's nice. Yeah. Maybe just to dive in, to change gears kidogo, maybe just to ask, do you think marriage works?
Yeah, marriage works very well.
Very well.
Yeah. Personally, my mentality, marriage works. Yeah.
What do you think makes the marriage to work?
Maybe the contribution between the both partners. Because when you found someone is delaying or not doing his or her responsibilities, I think that is the most thing that brings conflict in the family or lack of satisfaction of each partners. Or on my mentality, maybe one of them, the husband or the wife, is so greedy. He or he he haven't accept the situation or the way he is living or she is living.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nimesikia ukisema pale satisfaction. What do you mean satisfaction?
Satisfaction, I can say, you know what I am meaning when I said in their family.
No,
it is all including all the responsibility. The responsibility of the husband, like paying school fees, providing clothes, food, and shelter. And the act of the family.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what are the responsibilities of a man in marriage?
As a man?
Yes.
Providing clothes, the family, including his wife and children, providing food, shelter, protection. Yeah.
All right. Maybe just to shift gears kidogo nikuulize, do you think parents wanna play a big role kwa dating life ya their kids?
Parents. Yeah, parents play a very yes. They play a very good role because I can say when you found, for example, when you found strict parents, most of them they raise very good children who behave very well after they get that freedom. Because when you found the parent who is lazy or who is giving you all freedom when you are very young, you can go and get some other behavior that may affect your future.
Okay. Yeah. But unasema mtu wana learn from mistakes. Maybe unataka ulearn mwenyewe and then you utacorrect uko baadaye.
Yeah. A person can learn from his mistakes or her mistakes. But the first thing you have to accept that you have done a mistake.
Okay.
Then you go back and you avoid to do the same mistake again.
Okay. Do you believe in love?
I don't believe in love.
Kwa nini you don't believe in love?
I don't believe.
Mbona?
I don't believe in love because it is very difficult to get a very a true love, let me say. Because this generation, especially in our generation, they like luxury things, and they like luxury things. And at our age, I am at early 20, you found yourself, you are not yet settled, and your lover needs things that you cannot afford.
Okay.
So you found girls go out and date the old people.
Yes, wababa.
Yeah, wababa.
Lakini
Because
sio
of greediness, I can say because of greediness.
because of kuna vitu wewe huwezi mpatia.
Sure, siwezi mpatia. Siwezi afford. At my age, yes, afford. When you compare me with the baba who is 50 years and above, and he started hustling when he was 20, so he has 30 years of hustling.
Yes.
And I myself, I am as early as 20 years. I found myself, I have not achieved more, unless I come from a rich family. That
So
gives me all that money.
So hapo huoni is it fair ama mimi naona kama iko fair?
Yes, it's fair because no one needs to live in a miserable life. If a girl gets someone to provide money, I can encourage her, just go and get that what you want.
So wewe una support mademu wakidate wa baba?
Yeah, I can support because I don't think they have gone there because of willingness. Maybe someone need a iPhone 17 that costs more than 100k.
Yes.
That is her desire. That is what can make her happy. So because she cannot purchase, or someone cannot purchase herself, she is right to go and get that iPhone that she is making her happy.
Okay. Maybe what do you think is the right age for someone to start dating ama kuwa na courtship?
Maybe 20. Or to be specific, after you terminate Form 4.
Kwanza Form 4?
Yeah.
Inafaa uanze kudate?
Yeah.
Hata ukiwa na familia?
Ukiwa na familia? Myself, I can say that it's different between dating and have a family. Because that is marriage. I think dating is having someone you say, this is my boyfriend or this is my girlfriend.
Okay.
So I can say, when you terminate Form 4, you can now look for one.
Maybe tuambie, what's your worst experience na mambo na dating?
Mambo na dating? I never encountered any difficult.
Wewe unasema dating yako imekuwa straight?
Imekuwa sawa.
So maybe tuambie, what have you done? Unaona yako iko smooth sana.
What have I done? Maybe I have to get a right partner.
You wouldn't right person.
That she understand me and I understand her also.
Yes.
Yeah, she know my level, and she know who is me in deep, and I know who is her in deep. And we correct each other whenever there is a mistake, and we come into solution, and we continue again as issue.
So maybe to describe your ideal woman. Mwenye naona ni kama mambo yako iko sawa kabisa. Tunapatia tips
Describe how she is.
Yes.
In terms of
character and all those things.
I can say my girl, because I cannot say she is not my woman. She is my woman. My girl has a good behavior. She is understanding. She is always happy, and she loves me.
She loves you.
Yeah.
Shout out to your girl.
I can't call her name. I cannot call her name.
Mwambie hapo usiogope, maybe
I cannot.
Shout out, unampenda?
No. No.
Mwambie hapo, shout out my love.
It's my love.
Yes. Na hata tuambie jina, asikie vizuri.
I cannot.
Akuwe proud.
Cannot mention her name.
Okay. Are you proud ama mama shida nini?
I'm proud of her, but this world you cannot expose everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Maybe that my enemies around, or someone who is saying also she is her girlfriend or she is her crush. Yeah.
Okay. Kuna Gen Z wanasema my dress my choice. Do you believe inasaidia ama imekuja ikaribu morals za mostly the girls?
Maybe me, I can judge someone. You just use your common sense. You know if this cloth is good. Maybe I can say you just do the right thing at the right place at the right time. Okay. Because when we say some clothes, when you see in public, maybe at some places also they are they're good at other places.
Alright, kumalizia tu maybe quick fire questions. On a scale of 10, how do you rate yourself?
I rate myself 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10.
Yeah.
Yes. What is 1 plus 1?
2.
2 plus 2.
4.
100 divided by
200.
200 plus 1.
200 plus 1.
Yes.
201.
Good. Huyu ako sawa.